Hello, coming
Hey
to you live from San Antonio tonight. We're Monica and David from ThatSimpleLife.com. I know we're coming to you early tonight, but we've got a little bit of a time difference and some plans for tonight. So we wanted to talk to you about our top 5 travel essentials that we bring with us every time we travel. Now, you know that's kind of a new thing for us. We're kind of in this mode where we're trying to travel as much as possible and take our family so many places, but there's no kids here today because,
right.
dun, 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 why are there no kids?
This is a late anniversary trip.
Yeah, we just celebrated 11 years of being married, so we decided to take a couple days off by ourselves and enjoy each other. Tomorrow, I will be crossing something off my bucket list that I have been waiting to do forever because I'm a big history buff. What is that?
Which is?
I'm going to go see the Alamo. Who knows what the Alamo is? Because honestly, the other day somebody was like, what's the Alamo? And I was like, oh my gosh, is it just me? Anyway, let's get into the list of top 5 travel essentials that you should always bring with you.
The goods.
Okay, so number 1, this is an empty water bottle, but it's also a water filter. So if you don't have bottled water with you, you just fill it up and it filters the water. You can use sink water or water fountain water. I mean, you don't always have to use it, but it's good to have. I know some rooms that we've been in, they want like $5 for a thing of water, and we're just like, no, we're not paying $5. So this is good to have.
Coffee.
Oh, coffee. That's right. Did you guys see the post the other day about how our relationship's based on coffee? It's totally true. So David and I like to drink Bulletproof Coffee. If you're familiar with Bulletproof Coffee, it's basically a combination of oil, butter, coffee. We put a little stevia for sweetener. And when we're on the road, usually we have like a little whisk or we put it in the blender. But when we're on the road, that's not available. So we have a self-stirring coffee mug. And basically what it does is you put your coffee in here, put the lid on, press the button, and it stirs itself. So if you're using the coconut oil, it kind of gives it a frothiness at the top, and then we kind of just pour it into another cup. And that's how we have Bulletproof Coffee on the road. Okay, number 3, you should always have a battery pack with you for your phone. Unless you want to sit on the floor like David did this morning at the airport with the plug in the wall.
It's okay. This kind of looks like a flask though. But, yeah. Yeah.
Actually, that'd be really cool if you can get through the airport with that. No, but you really do need this because you never know when you'll be without a phone charger. So always make sure you have a phone battery pack with you. Ours wasn't charged this morning, so that's where we ran into a problem. We thought we charged it though, didn't we? Okay, next thing, which we're not using, but we usually use for our Facebook Lives, is a selfie stick / tripod. So, put your phone on this thing and you can take a selfie.
Everyone knows what that is.
Or
do Facebook Live.
We're not friends right now. Or it actually has a little tripod at the bottom. You can set it on whatever you want and you can take a picture of both of you together. So that's kind of cool. This is kind of one of my favorite little things. Okay. Last but not least, this is a display cable for your laptop. So if you run into the situation where you want to watch your Netflix or your Hulu in a hotel room, this is the way to go. You just connect your laptop to it, and then the HDMI goes to the other side, to the TV, and you can watch Netflix, Hulu. This is particularly helpful when you are out of the country, because remember when we went to Mexico and everything was in Spanish?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so nobody understood except for me what everybody was saying. So this is particularly helpful when you're out of the country. And then just as a bonus, because on my personal Facebook page the other day, I kind of asked for some tips and tricks. And one person suggested a laundry bag, and we always bring just like plastic bags with us.
Yeah, like trash bags or something.
But I was at Daiso the other day and I saw a cute little for laundry drawstring bag. It was $1.50. So I thought I'm going to put this in as one of my travel essentials. Anything else that you think you should bring?
Neck pillow?
Your neck pillow? Oh.
Well, for the first time we used
we use the neck pillow to prop up the phone right now.
travel pillow.
Yeah. So I have posted all of these things. I have linked a kit. I made a kit for you guys, and the link will be posted below. There are actually some pretty cool bonus items on there as well, specifically for road trips. So we do a lot of road tripping, so we kind of need to add certain things to our collection, and people have been giving us suggestions, so we've added those to the kit. So check that out, and we will see you guys next week back in Los Angeles. See you later. Bye.